Alright guys, so the first thing I want to say today is that I did not have time to install the hydro e-brake with Lucas, so I'm going without one to the event. I'm heading that way right now. Ariel's driving the E36. As always, he's helping me out. All the tools, all the tires and stuff are in the van. Just put some gas, and today I'm also filming a point of view video that should come out before this video that you're watching. So if you missed it, make sure to go and check it out.
Oh shit!
Nice! Yeah, like the gasket blew again on the exhaust, but it's okay.
Does she need me? Can she breathe? Dumb shit. That's really what it all boils down to. Our primary concern is safety. We want you guys to be safe.
Thank you. This last time I cut my hand hitting you guys, basically the camera, and messed the run a little bit. I ran over a cone, but it's alright, it's all fine. Okay, so it's like midnight now. Yeah, 12:05. Going home. Everything went super well on the event. Just a car that didn't want to start right now, so I had to push start it because the starter's going bad. But besides that, everything went fine. I only spun out twice. It was a pretty good event. Got a lot of runs on the skid pad, 2 runs on the oval track, and I still have half of the brand new tire to use next time. So overall, the event was good. A lot of people came. It puts a little bit of pressure on us, but it's pretty cool to see lots of people watching us. It was a full event, lots of cars, lots of people. And yeah, I'm tired, so I'm gonna drive home now. It's a long drive, probably about an hour or so. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.